Hello everyone, this is a 2015 Mini Cooper. I'll be showing you how to check the oil level. So basically, if you got a screen just like this one, you need to press the menu button, and then this comes up, and then you could change it to, with this knob right here, turn it so it'll go to vehicle info, and press the red button right here, and then press it again, vehicle status, and then you could go up and down, measure engine oil level. So start measuring. It'll take a minute or so. So engine oil level okay. That's how you check it. Thank you for watching.